Hey guys, today we are diving into Laravel Herd and how to access your database using database.herd.test. Laravel Herd is a lightweight and powerful development environment for Laravel projects. It simplifies database access and provides a seamless development experience. In this video, we'll explore how to set up and access your database using database.herd.test. So before we begin, make sure you have the following prerequisite: a Laravel project, a Laravel Herd install, and basic understanding of Laravel and database configuration. So first, let's install Laravel Herd. Open your terminal and run the following command. So in the documentation, as you can see in the installation process, so you need to have this. You can use this, so you can migrate from Belay, but first we need to install it here. You can download the latest version of Herd from the Laravel website, Herd website, and you can install it here. As you can see, right now I'm on Mac, so I have already installed Laravel Herd, so I'm gonna skip that part. It's pretty easy to install, so I'm gonna skip that part. And also I have used install DB engine, uh, which is also for a handy tool for managing databases, which I uses for my application development. You can install that also, and after that, uh, when running the application, as you can see here is all of my sites. So I just install a Laravel application here. As you can see, it's running and the preview is also shown. So yeah, so you can see here there is an options called database. You can access databases with any other third-party application like SQL Pro, SQL Ace, or PHP but I'm gonna just skip that part. So if I want to access my database, I'm just gonna click on this open button. uh, as you So if I go to this database herd.test, so as you can see here are many options like MySQL, SQLite 3, SQLite 2, and other database options. So right now I'm using MySQL, and this is my local server. So yeah, I'm gonna log in, and boom, here you can see all my databases. All are here, which are used in my MySQL. So I haven't installed any other application. I'm just accessing those with database.herd.test. You can also use this like SQLite, your preferred version of database. So yeah, you can do like create database, import database, export database, and many other stuff that you do on PHP or SQL Pro. So it's really good to install this. So you don't need to install any other application like Table Plus or create any connection, because Table Plus is also a pro version. You can't modify tables more than two, so it's pretty hectic for us. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Laravel tips and tutorials. See you soon in the next video.